One of the things that business founders do is that because they, especially tech companies, two things happen in tech companies. Let me talk about tech companies, then we go to other ones. The tech companies, usually the founder is a techie. So he is in his technology, he is the expert in that, he loves it, he knows it backwards, right? And usually he assumes that everybody else also can understand it in the same way. So now when it comes to, as long as he is with his machine, he's fine. But now he can't be there. He's got to go fundraising. He's got to go talk to the VCs, right? He's got to go and talk to, for example, potential people he wants to recruit, maybe in universities, colleges, wherever. So he's talking to those. Now there he fails because he does not know how to take this technological thing and present it to those people in a way that makes sense to them. So I have a formula, I call it the FM station that everyone listens to, and that's called WIIFM. What's in it for me?
Okay.
Right? So if I'm talking to a techie, I will talk technology language. But if I'm talking to a VC, I'm not going to tell him this is the feature and blah, blah, blah. No. Hold on a second. My product is capable of running your gold mine, which is in the middle of the Rubb al Khali, the hottest place on earth, in the middle of the summer, 200 feet under the ground, no humans involved. AI agents, robots, who you can talk to real time in English and Arabic.
Okay.
No accidents, no leave, no vacation, work 24/7. What do you think?
It's great.
You like that? Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Now, I'm not talking to you about the way the robot is made, and you're not. I'm giving you what's in it for me. As a VC, what's in it for you is revenue. I'm asking you for $100 million. What do I have for you? I have the following. Any founder who comes to you asking for $100 million will say to you, give me $100 million, I will go and make the product, I will sell it, and then your revenue stream, the reverse revenue stream starts for you, right? I've got a different plan. I'm coming to here, I've got drones which do imaging in completely hostile environments, including under the sea, including on the moon.
Okay.
Those same drones can do crop spraying because they are heavy duty drones. You can take the same, I bring the drones to you, you can take the same drones and the drone will do crop spraying. One drone will earn you $500,000 in a year. I'm asking you for $100 million. One drone will earn you $500,000 in a year, right? Then I have robots who do mining. So we have drills which go out there, operated by robots. The drills take out the core, analyze it, and we open the mine. The mine can be under the ocean, it can be anywhere on the terrestrial, anywhere on the face of the earth, it can be on the moon. Number 3, I have launching pads and launching stations for rockets to go to the moon. What we don't have yet is a rocket engine and fuel. We have complete design for a rocket engine and solid fuel, which is 1/100th the price of SpaceX.
Okay.
Right? Now I'm giving you, I can give you these rocket launching pads. You are paying, and I have the exact number of what you are paying to SpaceX to launch your satellites. You can launch your satellites from my launching pad for free.
Interesting.
Right? So now I'm asking you for $100 million to fund all of this, but I'm giving you in the process revenue streams starting from day one. How do you like the idea?
This is amazing. So now I see what mistake I am doing. Now I see that one. But there is a one tricky part. Like, so how do you come up with the number? Like, okay, you are putting this and you are getting out this much. I think this is where we are lacking. I don't know, like, because I don't know how many people are going to download my app, and I don't know. So how can I say?
So work with virtual numbers. You don't know how many will download, But say, for example, my app, if it is downloaded by 1 million people, this is the revenue I will get.
Okay,
If
so,
it's down, so you can work with the virtual numbers. That's not difficult.
yeah, but they say that, okay, how are you going to make 1,000 or 1 million download? How are you going to make that?
You must have a plan for that, no? You should have a plan. So how will you do that? So let me ask you this question. How will you get 1 billion subscribers for your app? What's your plan?
Yeah, so our plan is like we are going to do the marketing. Marketing maybe because a lot of people are tech savvy, so we are thinking to hire some of the influencer. That is one. Push the ad on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, everywhere. Maybe make some content by ourselves, word to mouth. These are the couple of things that came to our mind.
Yeah. Let me say that, fine, do all of that. But what I would suggest is, if you have a demo which you can give to people for free, you don't need any influencers or anybody. Give to people for free, right? Give it to them and say, use this and give us feedback. You will create ambassadors for your product all over the world. Pick those people who are in high interaction environments, who talk to lots of people and so on and so forth. Give it to them for free. So you please use it.
Okay, this is interesting.
Yeah.
So I think, okay, so there is another hard part about this. So I think our product is better for the millennium and Generation X, the person who has a lot of expenses and they can use our card for the college student, they do not have a lot of expenses, all is college. So it is not good for them. But someone is parent, they have child, they have to pay for the house, they have to buy the grocery. How can we get to that customers?
Yeah, good question. One of the ways, for example, I would say is go to say Costco. Right? Go to Costco. Stand at the gate of Costco. Stand at the checkout counters. Those are the people.
Wait, can we do that? Police will not catch us?
No. That's a different issue. How will you negotiate that with Costco is a different issue. I'm saying, where will you find the people? That's where you find the people.
Okay.
Or go stand in the parking lot. Who will stop you? Now, exact modality, who do I need to speak to in Costco to do that? That's a different question. Right? So, maybe stand on the street. But I'm saying, where will you find these people? One fantastic place to find people like this, which you said, is something like Costco. Because that's where they're shopping. So, and they just spent something. They just use the card. Your card gives them, it optimizes and says, where do you get the maximum points and so on and so forth. So that is the group you're looking at. So go there and say, here is the app, go use it. And your revenue stream comes from their using, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so give it to them for free.
Oh, okay.
I'm not saying give it to everyone for free always. No. To get started. This is part of your marketing expense. Instead of paying some dumb influencer to talk some garbage which they don't understand. I mean, really, I'm allergic to influencer, believe me, period. They talk some rubbish because somebody is paying them. Why do you want to pay them? Give the thing to the user free. Those users will talk to a lot more people and they have far better credibility than anybody else. Like, you tell me, I believe you much more than, Kim Kardashian or something on Instagram.